Good morning, guys. We are on the Tennessee River this morning. As you can tell, it's really foggy. We're going to try to catch a catfish today. I have my buddy Vince Nadowski with us. He come down from Ohio. Say hi, Vince.
Hello everyone.
All right, guys, we're going to try to catch some fish. Hang tight, and let's see what the day produces. We're starting to get a little bite on that first pole, and it ain't been out 5 minutes, but let's see what we're going to do. We're sitting on top of some big structure that was sunk in about 70 foot of water.
Oh, keeping the grass off?
Yeah.
So what's your Spider-Man? That's your good luck.
You didn't see the video
I
then,
must
did
not
you?
have watched that one.
That was my bank fishing video.
Oh, okay.
I found Spider-Man.
You found him, okay.
And I rescued him from the bank. Yeah, it just something back there when I went back there, and I had some issues with
Yeah.
the breathing and the fatness, and I had to talk to the man for a while. And then I come up out of here, and then this shit just starts happening.
That was Barren River, right?
No, it was right behind my house.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, right
I
behind
thought
my
you
house.
was going to do a bank on the Barren River too.
No, this is right behind my house. One of them little rivers I used to fish when I was a kid.
Oh, okay.
First customer. Yeah, we'll give it a solid 30 minutes. It is 8:30 right now, so 9 o'clock. If we ain't got nothing by 9, we'll go down on that one ledge and drag. Uh-oh. There you go, Vince. He's on there. He's on there. That's 70 foot too, so.
Yeah.
Does he feel pretty good?
He's better than what I caught yesterday, I think.
Oh, well. I better get the net out. What we got, Vince? Does he feel pretty good?
It's a little better. Like I said yesterday, the best I had was a 20.
Right.
That one just hit.
He's been hitting for quite some time. He's about to come up. He'll probably blow some bubbles in a minute.
That's what I'm looking for. I think, like you, I try to watch for the bubbles because, you know, want to save these fish the best we can.
Yes, sir. I know that's not the rod you wanted to catch it on, Vince.
It don't matter.
It's a workout bringing them up out of 70 foot of water, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Well,
And you're doing a good job keeping them out of the other ones over there. I generally don't have that much luck. I'd have all them rods messed up.
I'm actually, I actually say I do pretty well at, except that, what was it, King of the James.
Uh-oh.
Well, he's not happy now.
Yeah, no.
King of the James, it took the right rod and went totally across every line in the boat.
Took them all out. Well, where is this fish at? Oh, there he is. He's coming up. He's a respectable fish.
Yeah, not bad. There was some
He's a
bubbles.
40, 50? Yeah, he's a 50. Look at the mud though, man.
Yep.
That's
what I
why they
told
wasn't
you.
hitting yesterday.
That's what I told you, the two I got off the bridge yesterday.
Yeah.
Mud.
All right.
Where you want him?
I don't know. I have to figure it out. That's a 50 or a 60 maybe.
Oh, let's see. Hey, if you don't mind, I can even test out this new scale I bought.
Well, you can do that if you want. Let's see if I can. Let's see if
Tell
I
me where
can
you go, and I'll...
just bring him to the net. All right, bring him to the net. Oh. Whoa. I'm trying to film it and net at the same time.
Right.
Hang on, let me put this down. And I tell you what, Vince.
Yep.
Give me a net around here.
Yeah. Nail here, so.
Oh yeah, this is a 60. I bet. Or Butterball 50, boys. Look at the mud on it, man. This fish has been buried for a while.
Yeah.
Well, I'm hoping that today brings us some better luck than we had yesterday. You want to get him down in the boat?
Yeah.
All right. Been a minute since you caught that kind of fish, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. In our pool, I don't catch these in our pool. And Steve, as bad as it sounds,
You need some pliers?
probably, but this is probably my personal best if it beats 51.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
And you'd only said it was just okay fight, huh?
It didn't feel like...
There you go.
Where are they at?
Well, 6 months ago, I wouldn't be able to climb around this boat like this. I'm so happy. All right, guys, as you can see, that didn't take long at all. Vince got on top of him, and it's an excellent fish. Hopefully, there's more to come. Oh. All right, Vince, what'd he just say?
He just said, put me back.
Let's go out this side here.
I'll put him over here.
Yeah, put him on that side if you're done with him.
Yeah.
Just don't pull Alex Nagy. I'll keep your foot. Woo. And he's gone. Good job. Oh, we didn't wait.
We'll catch a bigger one.
All right, guys, we're gonna put this one back out. Give it another whirl. We're in the Smoky Mountains, if you can't tell.
We're supposed to go from 60 down to 59 at 8 and then start back up right about this hour.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's supposed to go back to 61, 2, 4.
Yeah. He ain't on there yet.
That's a smaller piece of bait.
He ain't on there, though. You can reel on if you want to, but... Yeah, now I'd reel on him.
Yep, he's there.
He got it?
Yep. He's not that good.
Well, I wouldn't say that. You said that a minute ago, too. You said that a minute ago. But, like I say, you never know what size we're going to catch.
Mm-hmm.
The next one may come a 100-pounder. We'll see if this one here has the muddy belly, too. They should be coming on up.
Well, I watched last night. The pressure was still going, was still rising.
Was it?
He's right there.
There he is.
Yep, little one.
Little one. Hey, it's action. You had a little piece of bait on there, though, didn't you?
Got a smaller fish bait. One of the end sections.
Yeah. You got to put some monster baits on. Need a net for him?
Roll that up. Get him with a line.
Don't get your hook, Andy. There you go.
Because that's not a mustad. It's because I grabbed. Oh, I know what. That was the other rod.
There you go.
That's a little one.
Yep, but it's action. All right.
What are you going?
Put another bait on there.
He went straight down.
Another bait.
Yep.
Hopefully he'll be bigger next time. I haven't ventured down past this much to see what's down there. What time is it? 10:20. 10 more minutes and we'll go to Dragon. How about it?
All right, sounds good.
Let's go scan some stuff. Did we mark it? Oh, he hung?
Mm-hmm. $10 a.m. They were still doing 34 thou.
What are they doing now?
They won't put another one until 11 o'clock. So 20 minutes. We got him.
Got him. Good job. Is he on the... Why are you in trouble?
I got caught.
Uh-oh.
I looped.
You loop-de-loop. I got you. What we got, Vince?
We'll see.
Still
here.
deep?
Yeah, he's small.
He's a 10 spot, ain't he?
Yeah, about 10.
He's still got that dirt on his belly.
Yep, all on the sides, belly. That's where them fish are.
They're still in the mud, ain't they?
Yep.
Well,
Got one.
fish to fish. It's action on a slow day. Well, we got a choice here.
Yeah,
We can keep going, or we can run and look for something different.
Whatever you want.
We've come a long way on just one little fish. Yeah, we're going up. I guess let's reel them in.
All right.
Not really. He's swimming with it, I think.
Yeah, he's small.
Is he?
Yeah.
Well, we're trying today, guys. We're trying. Look how this fog is coming back in all of a sudden.
Yeah. I mean, in a way, I like it because that means the wind's not there.
Right. But it ain't helping us on these fish, though.
No, it's not. And it might be a little bit with that pressure that was still coming up. It's keeping that fog down.
Yeah. Well,
Where we at?
fishing on
40.
a bad day is better than not fishing at all.
Better than working.
Yep.
He might be slightly bigger than the last one, but I don't think he's got much to him.
Well, action is action. It must have been deep out there.
Yeah, it's a little deeper because he's still down 18 feet.
Oh, is it?
Or something just rolled too.
Water's clear, isn't it?
He's like 5 foot up.
There he is. Well, he's deep. Still deep. Yeah, he's a pretty decent one.
He's a little better than I thought.
Yeah.
Maybe 15.
And that ain't got a lick of mud on it.
No. Let's see where we want to get you at.
Well, he's barely hooked.
Yeah.
You want a net on him?
Nah, I think I can get to him and get him around this other rod.
Don't get a hook in it. All right. Yeah, he's a little better. Well, what do you say, Vince?
He's probably 12 to 15.
Yeah. Good fish on a bad day.
Yeah, he's talking to us.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's not a bit of mud on him at all.
That's crazy. And there he goes.
And you know, oh no, that was that one. That was just a chunk.
Just a chunk. Well, that might be what we need is chunks instead of these big things I'm throwing. But you know, that big fish this morning come off that big bait.
Yeah.
So I kind of try to.
And this is a small chunk that I just laid over the side because I keep seeing things come by, but it's never moved.
Yeah. All right. All right, guys, that's all we have time for today. We're going to call it. We have struggled most of the day trying to locate some fish. But anyway, we was able to catch one big fish. Vince, how was your day today?
Oh, it was a great day. But like you said earlier, I've not been at, what, 4 in the afternoon and the fog's still not lifted on the river. It's one of them days.
One of them days, yep. All right, guys, thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you in the next one. If I don't see you between now and Christmas, have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and always remember, be kind to everyone.